Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thanks for clicking on today's video. So today I'm going to be doing this like get ready with me. I'm showing you this makeup here, very fall inspired, a salted caramel lip, a very copper tone bronzy eyelid look. Honestly, it's not very fall edition just because I've been wearing this makeup like almost every day this last week. So it's not super fall, and I feel like when we think of fall makeup, we immediately think like a burgundy eye, and I just didn't want to do that. It's very like I wanted to be different and do something a little bit more special. So today is Korean Thanksgiving, so I'm going to a family dinner. That's what I'm getting ready for. But if you want to just hang out with me, talk about Crazy Rich Asians, A Simple Favor, if you want to talk about Halloween and all that good stuff, then please keep watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe down below. I make new videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Saturdays, and today is Saturday. So you guys get a new video 3 times a week. Make sure you're subscribed. All the product links will be in the description because I didn't stop and like tell you every product while we were chatting. So I'll leave them all in the description. So if you have any questions, just take a look. Hopefully the description answers them for you before you comment them. But if you have any comments for me, let me know. So I've been using this. I bought this from Amazon and I love it so much. It has all my daily makeup in that case. I'm going to go in with Klairs the Soft UV Essence. This sunscreen is like water-based and it doesn't leave a white cast. It's amazing to wear underneath makeup. I wear sunscreen every single day. There's no excuse. You want to protect your skin from the UV rays, and I have a hair in my mouth. I'll just pat that in there. That's amazing. It doesn't leave like a white cast. Can you see that? Like my skin doesn't look like it has any sunscreen on. It just looks like moisturizer. So my boyfriend bought me the Giorgio Armani. Do you like how I said Giorgio? It's not Giorgio, it's Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. I've been wanting this thing for like ever, but it's really expensive. So thanks, Justin. Just gonna go in with 2 pumps of that. Gonna go in with my Sigma F80 Kabuki brush first, and then I'm gonna go in with Beauty Blender. So my sister's birthday was yesterday. It wasn't yesterday, my sister's birthday was like September 12th, so it was like a week ago. But a lot of our friends couldn't celebrate with us the day, that weekend of. So we decided to push the date and do it later on in the month of September. So we celebrated her birthday yesterday. Then I'm gonna go in with my Beauty Blender and just blend this out. It was a lot of fun celebrating with all of our friends and stuff. And we went to Taste on Melrose, if you're curious. We went to EPLP afterward, right across the street from Taste. It was a lot of fun, and then we went to a karaoke place after in Koreatown. And Korean people, like that's what we do. We just go to like karaoke bars and stuff. You guys, I saw Dylan Sprouse yesterday at the same, like as we were coming out, he was just there with like a group of people. It's hard to recognize him because he lost so much weight, like him and his brother, from when I remember like from Zack and Cody, but I saw him yesterday. I feel like celebrities don't like that, and I don't know, I don't like bothering people when they're just hanging out. Shape tape just under my eyes, anywhere where like I have like an acne scar or something. And then I'll drag the concealer up. I wanted to tell you guys, so I watched Crazy Rich Asians recently, and I also watched A Simple Favor. Please don't get mad at me, but I did not think Crazy Rich Asians was like that amazing. Like I didn't cry. I thought it was really cringy sometimes. I thought it was really like cheesy at other times. I don't know, like I feel like I have a very unpopular view of the movie. I don't know, maybe I'm just not as like super into romantic movies, like rom-coms and stuff. I'm a huge action movie fan. That's why I really liked A Simple Favor. I mean, I'm a huge fan of Blake Lively. I always have been since Gossip Girl. A lot of twists and turns. You guys, I've been using the KKW contour sticks like a lot, like every single day, which I'm just surprised because like I did not think I would be using it, but I think because the contour comes in like a little like handle stick thing, it's just easier to swipe on my face. That's why I think I would get a lot of use out of the Fenty Beauty ones, the matchsticks. I buy makeup that I don't have. Like, okay, that's such a lie because I just looked down and I have 3 foundations. I don't like to buy makeup that like I don't need, if that makes sense. Like, I'll buy a bronzer when I need to get a new bronzer. And then I'll try a different kind of bronzer that I've never tried before. Makeup is so expensive, you guys. Like, it's not cheap. I don't want to spend my money on makeup I'm not going to use. I've been posting a lot of like fall polls on my Instagram, and I hope you guys have been really enjoying them. Like, I think most of you guys are. I'm getting a lot of great responses from my polls and stuff, so thank you so much if you've voted on my polls or if you've like enjoyed them. But like, my voice is so gone from like yesterday. I was singing my heart out. My go-to karaoke song is I Have Nothing by Whitney Houston, and I always start off with Bruno Mars. I always start off with That's What I Like and Versace on the Floor. Like, that, those are my two go-tos, and then I'll go into I Have Nothing by Whitney Houston for my ending song, like every time. Okay, I'm gonna contour my nose. I'm gonna go back in with Shape Tape, and then I'm gonna bounce it with my Beauty Blender. I know I want to do a fall look, but I don't know exactly like what colors I want to use right now. I'm gonna go in with my Art Class Too Cool for School little contour trio. Just wear this on my cheeks. Are you guys gonna watch the Shane Dawson, the Jake Paul Shane Dawson series? Are you guys gonna watch that? I kind of want to. It's longer than the Jeffree Star series. It's 8 parts. I'm going to a family like event tonight. It's Korean Thanksgiving today, so I'm going to like a family event, and I just don't want to do like a full-on I just dropped my palette upside down on my jeans. We're fine. I didn't get anything on there, but did you see my face? That got really scary. I don't want to do a crazy like burgundy eye. I think that's like so typical. I got this idea from Tony Savaldis. I think I'm saying her name wrong. It's Savalistis or something. Savalistis. You hold up like a credit card or a tube or something, and you hold it right here, and then you just like go in and do your eyeshadow. I don't have a mirror. Like, I don't have 2 hands to see a mirror, so I'm just gonna wing this one. We're eyeballing it. You just hold it here, and then it cleans it up so much. Like, look. You see how sharp that is? Isn't that amazing? Yeah, so if you're not good at eyeshadow, I highly recommend trying out that method. It really, really helps. I just wanted to show you guys this palette. Yeah, I'm gonna go in with this shade, this pinky one here. But I love this palette so, so much. A friend of mine got it for me for my birthday. At family functions, I'm the one cousin, like I'm the one niece and the one cousin that like shows up in full glam makeup. Like, it's not that serious and I don't need to, but that's me, literally. And like, sometimes my cousins will be like, she's the Kardashian of our family, and I'm like, oh, okay, so the reason I haven't been doing nail videos is because I play guitar and I lead worship at my church. So as you know, when you play guitar, you can't have super duper long nails, but we've been recruiting guitarists to take over and play, you know, and I'm training another person right now. So I'm sorry if you guys were like expecting a nail video soon. I literally have the Polygel nail kit right next to me, like the one I was gonna review, until our guitarist is like fully trained and I feel confident enough for him to just play. Okay, for me, leading worship is more important than like doing my nails. I really like the color of this. I'm gonna deepen this out a little bit more with this dark brownie color. This year, I'm gonna make a really big effort to like just do all things fall and winter. You know, I don't know if it's because like now I'm not in Michigan, and I was just telling my mom this morning, but like for some reason, now that I'm back in the sun, I want the snow. Isn't that crazy? Because when I was in the snow, I was like, I will never go back to this. But there's something about a white winter wonderland. Like, but right now, like, I'm telling you, it is 80 degrees outside. I'm just dipping into the lightest shade in this palette. I want to be bundled up in my scarves and my boots and like things like that. Like, Michigan weather wasn't great all the time, but when it was good, it's really good. When it's good, like, there were days where I'll just like, it's the perfect crisp air, you know, that kind of weather. So that's what I love and miss about Michigan a lot. Going back into the Sigma Warm Neutrals palette, I'm going to take Toasty. I've been wearing this shade every day. And then just line my underline with this. Like a Korean family, like me. I don't know about other Korean families, but my family, we are like, they're very much like natural. I don't know, like my family doesn't wear full face makeup. Like yeah, we're just not like that. And it's just me pretty much. So I'm out here full face, full makeup for you guys. So if you like this, please. I just hit pan on Fuego. And when I hit pan on products, it just makes me so happy. I don't know why, but for some reason I thought this was a lot deeper than it was. So I think for me, I'm like just proud of myself when I hit pan on a product, because I'm like, I actually like used it, you know, and it shows you how much you actually use the product every day. Dose of Colors just came out with their round 2 Desi X Katie collection. And not to say that I don't know if I'm gonna purchase anything, but I don't know, because this palette here, this eye palette, and I haven't, like, guys, I only use like this much of it. I haven't used all of it, and I can't get myself to like spend the money just yet because I haven't even finished using the first round. So that's what I mean when I'm like, I want to finish it first, and I want to like, you know, be okay, like I finished it, now I'm ready to buy another one. You know, I don't want to like just have six different palettes for like no reason, because I'm not even going out that much, you know? I don't think I've ever gone through like one full palette, every single color. What are you guys gonna be for Halloween? Let me know in the comments down below, because I don't celebrate Halloween. I never grew up. We never trick-or-treated, or like we never celebrated Halloween in my house. As most of you know, I grew up in a very conservative Christian Korean household, which means like we went to like Hallelujah nights, which was like the church version of Halloween, to celebrate God instead of like the witches and like trick-or-treating and dead people and like things like that. Like my mom just didn't like that spiritual aspect of Halloween. I think a lot of people are like, you know, they just dress up for Halloween to dress up, but I don't know, like the idea of celebrating like ghosts and like darkness. My card was full, so I had to switch over to a different memory card, but and like I like dressing up. I like dressing up in different characters and this and that. So I am curious to know what you guys are going to be for Halloween. I'm gonna curl my eyelashes now and then put some false lashes on. One of the things I'm looking forward to when I like get older and have kids and stuff, it's just like the family functions. I don't know why, but like it's such a big part of like my upbringing, like family is, and especially being Korean. Like I know a lot of cultures are like this too, like the Hispanic culture, but family is just so important, and there's nothing that comes before your family. And like for me, it's a value that I'm going to carry on with my children and my future husband too. And yeah, family is just so important. Family first for sure. Being an aspiring blogger or YouTuber is a really expensive hobby. Me and my friend Haley Estrada, she also has a YouTube channel and she has an Instagram account. We were just talking about like at a certain point on YouTube and on blogging and just being like a YouTuber, Instagram influencer, like people start to bring contracts to you about, you know, different campaigns and working with them and working with the brand. But we were just talking about like at what point do you know, start like charging yourself for videos and this and that. And like for me, honestly, like the reason I want a separate job is so that I don't have to charge for videos. Like a lot of you guys may think that I'm out here like sitting on a buttload of money and like just all this stuff. Like that's not true. Like I have a separate job at Victoria's Secret, and actually quite frankly I don't get as many hours, which I would want, you know. So I'm trying to get more hours at Victoria's Secret so that I can sustain doing YouTube as well. But you know, like a lot of people think that like, you know, I just, you know, I'm getting sponsored left and right, and like when I get a product and I actually believe in the product and I do an exchanged video, like I do a video in exchange, for example, like the True & Co video, like it's because I actually believe in the product. I actually wear the product. I'm wearing a True & Co bra right now, and I really like their stuff. So that's why I don't mind doing exchange, you know, that kind of thing. I have never been paid to say anything. Like nobody has ever given me money and said like, you have to do this, you know. I use affiliate links. I'm very in every single one of my description bars, you guys know that. I'm very honest about that. Like I just recently watched a video with Tati and James Charles, and they were just saying like, they were just talking about the beauty community and how it's going down, and pretty much like, you know, the Makeup Geek owner, she had said like I'm not gonna pay a YouTuber like $60,000 on a video. Like, it shocked a lot of people. I already knew that because Kim Kardashian gets paid like a couple $100,000 for a post on Instagram. It could go up to like $1 million, I think, or something crazy like that. Boombod or like Sugar Bear Hair, like they are paying a lot of money to Kim Kardashian and the Jenner family to get their product out there, you know, sponsored and this and that. And maybe like Kim Kardashian does believe in the product, and Khloe believes in Boombod. For me, I want to be working at Victoria's Secret for as long as I can, for as long as, you know, I'm getting hours, and as long as they're okay with me, like, you know, having my YouTube channel and doing my availability isn't like completely full. Like, as long as that's okay, like, I'm gonna keep working at Victoria's Secret. I feel like working there gives me a chance to like be like more active with people, you know, like I'm not just sitting behind a camera every day, like I actually interact with customers and stuff. So I have to be ready in like 15 minutes, so I'm just gonna stick this eyelash on. And I rewear these eyelashes about like 10 times. I'm gonna do my lips and I'll be back. I just finished up my lips, and like this has been like pretty much my go-to lip combo recently. I've been wearing the Nudist lip liner by Marc Jacobs, Eau Coco just around like the edges, and then the Plump Me Up Almost Nude lip gloss, or I'll wear the Dose of Colors over the top lip gloss. I also have been just sticking the More Creamer Please right in the middle to just kind of give my lips more dynamic shapes. Like when I just use lip liner, my lips can look pretty flat. This is my makeup completely done. I'm just gonna get some setting spray and spray my face. Thank you guys so much for watching this entire video. I hope you liked my makeup look, and I didn't do anything with my hair. I'm just leaving it down. Or if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. If you learned something new, and please give this video a big thumbs up because I love it when you guys do that. Let me know if you guys have any other fall videos or suggestions that you want to see from me. I'm so open to taking your guys' suggestions, so leave them down below for me. But with that, I will talk to you guys all in my next video. Bye!